Start. Now, suppose if f of t is given to be f1 for t less than or equal to a and f2 for t greater than a, then I can express ft in terms of unit step function in this form. Right? This is property number 3. I have already told you, I have already given two properties. One is L of u of t minus a. Next property is second property is L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a. Now I am talking about property number 3. If f of t is f1, f2 like this defined in this interval, then this f of t, it can be expressed as f1 plus f2 minus f1 into u of t minus a. Now suppose there is an example like this. You express f of t in terms of unit step function and hence find L of ft. What is the ft? Ft is equal to cos t in the interval 0 less than t less than pi, right? It is equal to sin t for t greater than pi. Now here observe a value is pi. Now let us substitute. What is my f of t? F of t, it is equal to f1 plus f2 minus f1 into u of t minus a. Let us substitute here. f1, what is f1? First one, cos t. f1 is this, cos t. f2 is sin t. f2 sin t minus f1. What is f1? Cos t into u of t minus a, u of t minus. What is the value of a? A is equal to pi. How you got a is equal to pi? This one. This pi. This is my a. Now, if I operate L on this, L of ft, what is L of ft? Fs. That is equal to, I have to operate L of, okay, I will take one more step. L of ft, it is equal to L of cos t, right, plus L of sin t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. What is L of ft? Fs. That is equal to L of cos t. What is L of cos t? L of cos t is s by s squared plus 1 plus, now L of this. So let us take this as a fresh problem and solve it. Now how to solve this? Take this as f of t minus pi and proceed. Right? Just a minute. Now call this as equation 1, right? We are substituting here. L of plus t, you know, s by s squared plus 1. Now I have to take this as a fresh problem. What is that? Sin t minus cos t. Here t minus pi. Therefore, f of t minus pi. It is equal to sin t minus cos t. Now, if I want to have ft, replace t by t plus pi. Substitute t is equal to t plus pi. Substitute t is equal to t plus pi. So f of t plus pi. Put t is equal to t plus pi. F of t plus pi minus pi. Wherever t is there, substitute t is equal to t plus pi. That is equal to sin of t is replaced by t plus pi minus cos of t is replaced by t plus pi. Now what is sin of t plus pi? You know this formula. Sin of t plus pi is equal to minus sin t. Minus, write that as it is. What is cos of t plus pi? Minus cos t. So this is minus sin t. 2 minus sines, that is plus cos t. So therefore, what I got is this f of t, it is equal to minus sin t plus cos t. I have to find L of this. L of this I have to find. So therefore, find here L of, see, therefore L of t, it is equal to minus L of sin t minus L of sin t 1 by s square plus 1 plus L of cos t, you know that s by s squared plus a square, that is what. Without the previous formulas, you cannot do anything here. Therefore, I tell you 100 times. First, you practice the beginning formula. L of sin t, number by s squared plus this number 1 square. Cos t L, s by s squared plus 1. Now, what I am required? I am required to find this one. L of, right? L of sin t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. What is this? Actually, it is a second property. By second property, e to the power minus as into fs. This L of ft, what is this? This is fs. So therefore, this is, now observe, t, this is my a is equal to pi, e to the power minus pi s. A is this pi, e to the power minus pi s into fs. What is fs? This one. What is that? Minus 1, or I will write this first. S by s squared plus 1 minus 1 by s squared plus 1. Observe the point. I hope you have understood up to this. How you got it? f1 plus f2 minus f1 into u of t minus a. By that, I got this. Now I have to find L of this. L of cos t is s by s squared plus 1. Now I have to find L of this. Now this is my first problem for me. L of sin t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. This I have to find it. For that, what I did? Observe here, t minus pi is there. Therefore, this expression behind u of t minus pi, that is sin t minus cos t. This sin t minus cos t, it is treated as u f of t minus pi. Because I had to find this, observe the important point. Because I had to find this, I am using the second property. What is the second property? Here u of t minus pi is there. Therefore, sin t minus cos t, this should be treated as f of t minus pi because of u of t minus pi. Here what we have? U of t minus pi. Now put t is equal to t plus pi. T is equal to t plus pi. Here this t is equal to t plus pi. Sin of t plus pi, you know the formula minus sin t. So I have written cos of t plus pi, what is that? Minus cos t I have written. So minus sin t, 2 minus sin plus cos t. Now operate L on this. L of sin t, 1 by s squared plus 1. L of cos t, s by s squared plus 1. Now here I am substituting for this separately. This one. L of sin t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. It is equal to e to the power minus as into fs. What is a? A is this pi. A, this pi, e to the power minus pi s into fs. What is my fs? This is my fs. So I have written that. Now, after this step, I am writing, substituting in 1. What is my equation 1? This one. So L of cos t, s by s squared plus 1. L of this much, it is here. What is that? E to the power minus pi s into s by s squared plus 1 minus 1 by s squared plus 1. Okay, let us stop at this point.